Hello. Hello. Good girl. Alright, welcome back to Bearded Brothers. Today we are going to head over to the Miranda's house. If you are an avid watcher of Derek Barron Productions, you should know where that is already. We're going to go check out Brandon's new S550. Looks pretty sweet. And in this video, we're going to talk about why the S550 is better than the S197. So let's get started. One of the main reasons, and I think the S550 is better than the S197, a lot of people don't know this, is the firing order changed on the Coyote. So that makes exhaust sound a lot better. All right, we just pulled up to the Miranda's. We're gonna head inside and take a look at Brandon's new Mustang. Boom. There it is. The new S550. What do you think, man?
Oh, I love it.
You love it? You liking the Coyote life?
Yeah.
Yeah? Not gonna lie, I really like the performance pack wheels. I think they look really good. So this brings us to reason number 2 why the S550s are better than S197s, and it's the interior. Look at this. This looks absolutely amazing. You got the heated and cooled seats. Steering wheel's nice. I think the gauges are better. He's got the performance pack, so he's got oil pressure, vacuum, the big screen, drive modes and stuff like that. And then this shift knob's awesome, man. I like that. Yeah? Dude, are these brand new tires?
Yeah.
How many miles are on it?
40. Or 39.
What?
39.5.
Dude, this dude took care of this car.
And I'm the 4th owner.
Really?
5th owner, technically. I had the guys at work paint me, take me a little bottle.
Joel, I just saw your meaty setup, dude. That sound looks so good. You got work to do, man. Wow.
Those are our goals
That
when we
looks
get
so
a
good.
house. Oh, I thought we were talking about the tool chest.
No, I was talking about this.
Oh, did you say the tool chest? Oh, okay.
It's like Arby's over here, man.
Hey, we have the meat.
The meats. I remember that. Wow. The fact that you can hear me talking right now is not a good thing. Will do. I think we need to take off the bolt here. Have you opened this yet?
Nope. Damn.
Dang, it came with like a whole
pack.
sock.
That's good. Means it's protected.
And then more paper.
Gotta keep stuff protected, you know.
But you can take a look at it while it's virgin.
Oh, yeah, that's...
And the reason you have to change out the whole panel is there's 2 holes in the middle for this badge here. So it's not like you can just take off the badge and it'll be shaved. You have to buy a whole new one. Luckily this was what, like
It was 80 bucks.
80 bucks, so it's not too bad.
There's 2.
I was worried that something was gonna.
No, you're not held on at all.
What? They're like not tight.
Fairly tight.
Sucks.
Pull 3/4 is smarter than that, where it won't lock itself.
Hey Pam, how are you?
Just pull out.
Just pull out. Yep. The best advice I can give you, Brandon. Just pull out. There you go.
Hey.
All right. So the connector's on the left side. I almost wore that shirt, so glad I didn't. If you want to have
Is it missing a clip?
No. I gotta figure out how to do it. Transfer them to the new one.
Here we go. All the
4
clips.
clips done. Now I gotta move those to the new one, so let's go do that. Take those clips and you get it right here.
And you do it right there.
Yep.
This is why you bring your wife along, because
Yes.
she holds onto your clips.
See, so next time bring your wife.
Oh man, I gotta find one.
Flipping this back over, pressing down. You bought this brand new?
What, this? Oh.
Then you have to take out these screw clips down here. We're just gonna screw in right here, the bottom of the deck lid. So we're gonna pop these out and transfer them into the new deck lid. You like woman hole.
I got tough nails.
Okay.
Clips are out. There you go.
Oh.
Boom.
Not an Evo. I got one. Away. Hold on, don't start it yet.
I'm not starting.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
How about you? I don't know about this one actually. This one has scratches. Sorry, I'm just touching it. But dang, that does look better, man. And this is the last reason the S550 is better than the S197, the Gen 2 Coyote. This thing is pretty good. As I previously mentioned, they changed the firing order on this motor from the Gen 1, which makes it sound a little different. And I don't know all the specifics, but I'm pretty sure they changed the heads a little bit, which accounted for that extra 15 horsepower it makes over the S197. And it can hold a lot more power too. I know Gavin from It's Just a Six channel, if you've never heard of that, which I'm pretty sure you have, he's on the stock block, which I think he just has ARP studs in the crank, I think, and he's running 1,000 wheel horsepower on a stock block. So they hold a lot of power, So you don't have to crack open this engine until you're like in the 9s, maybe early 10s, if you're talking drag strip. But yeah, this is why it's a lot better.
I was about to say you can't clean your own car.
No.
It's a bunch of rock chips.
They want the color.
So you don't spend a lot of money on
Well, alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. We just got done with Brandon's car. We did his deck lid, he did some tail lights. What are they called?
Tail light sequential harnessing.
Sequential harnessing kit. And then Alec over here did all the wrapping that you saw in the video. He did the roof here, it looks awesome, and then the mirror caps here. And if you want to get your car wrapped or have any of this done to your car, you can find him here at his Instagram.
Exotics Vinyl Works,
Yeah.
Instagram, Facebook.
It's on the screen right now.
Exotics.vinylworks.
There you go. And yeah, it looks great. Looks good. So that's going to do it for this video. We'll see you guys next Wednesday for another video.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. I think that's it.
Peace.
See you guys.
Peace.